Peace. Dante The Artgod with my review of VinylCon, a 2-day event from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. each day. Tickets cost $8 in advance, $20 at the door. There were food trucks outside, several DJs performing live. There was a bar in the back, photo booths. There were several vendors from all over the country with records from every single genre you can think of. You name it, they had it there. If you love digging in the crates as much as I do, trust me, you want to check out VinylCon. And I strongly suggest that you bring your own portable turntable. Make sure you bring that along with some headphones so you can listen to your vinyl before you buy it. And also make sure you bring a couple dollars, man. Some of these vinyls can get a little pricey. And I didn't see any that went over $75, but trust me, man, once you start collecting up and you start stacking up all the vinyls that you want, you're going to see like, oh man, I done spent over $200-300, man. Like, that's very possible to happen, but VinylCon is the place to be if you're a record collector, a thrifter, or you're just a sample-based producer looking for that next sample that's going to give you that next hit. Trust me, you need to be here, man. So if it pulls up to your city, make sure you check it out, okay? Peace.
Blessed by Artgod.